There is a big tussle in mind when it comes to whether the child should go for medical course or engineering courses. And the biggest question that comes in mathematics. The child is able to do mathematics, not able to do mathematics, and based on that you take a decision whether to take biology or whether to take mathematics. Now, understand, this is a chicken and egg proposition. Whether we say mathematics is innate or it is learned, it is by birth or it is acquired in simple terms. So, in most of the cases, like all other qualities, it is a little of both, amalgamation of both. But moreover, it's important to understand that mathematics is a learned skill. The more you practice, the more you work hard on it, it automatically empowers your skills, and therefore you can perform better in mathematics. So to decide whether to keep mathematics or not to keep mathematics while you are in 11th standard is more a question of developing interest into the subject. Now, the rules of the mathematics are underlying in the nature, as we see. So even if we talk about the various shapes, we see them in a repetitive pattern. Fractals. So honeycomb structure is one such thing that can be found in nature, the hexagonal structure. And there are various ways in which geometry can be explained, and the Greek philosophers like Pythagoras, Plato, Euclid actually talked about mathematics to be the architecture of nature. Now, when that comes into light, we need to understand that mathematics is definitely innate within us, because to bring it as an architecture of nature, human being is actually putting it that effort, similar to the geometrical designs that are seen within the housing, within the architectural, and within the building. So anywhere you go, mathematics is the basic thing that you need to understand. The only thing is how much, whether it should be a small proportion or a large proportion. So even with biology as one of your subjects, you would have to study physics, and for physics you would definitely require mathematics, the basics and the fundamentals of it. So it's really important to understand that don't be afraid of the subject, don't let your child be afraid of the subject as a guardian, and understand that as a learned skill, this can also be learned and improved upon.